All right, exercise 29 says the correlation between fuel efficiency, as measured in miles per gallon, and price of 150 different cars at a large dealership is R equals negative 0.34. Okay, and R is the correlation coefficient that shows what kind of relationship we have. And it says explain whether or not each of these possible conclusions is justified. And the first one says the more you pay, the lower the fuel efficiency. And we might be tempted to say this is true because the correlation is negative, but this would only be true if there was a linear relationship. So this conclusion is not justified because we do not know if it is linear. Do not know if the relationship is linear. Okay. B says the form of the relationship between fuel efficiency and price is moderately straight. And again, we don't know this. We would have to see a scatter plot before we can say yes or no. So we must see a scatter plot. So it's very important for us to create graphs of fuel efficiency and price, a scatter plot, for this correlation coefficient, RMI equals negative 0.34, to have any kind of meaning for us. Part C says the statement says there are several outliers that explain the low correlation. Okay, and so this is no. All right, correlation tells us nothing about outliers. We have no idea if there are outliers or not. And part D says, if we measure fuel efficiency in kilometers per liter instead of miles per gallon, the correlation will increase. Okay, and that is also no. Okay, changing the units will not change the correlation. So changing units does not change correlation. So correlation is based on z-scores, and so changing units will not affect that.